enCOMPASS is an app that helps you save energy at home while maintaining your comfort. You can also compete with others and see who's saving most energy. You can use the app to monitor your energy usage, set goals, and save energy. Here's an introduction to the main functions of the enCOMPASS app. After you've logged in, you see the Start screen. Click on the Go button to complete our questionnaire and earn some points. On the Start screen, you see the main functions of the app. You can always return to the Start screen by clicking on the logo. You can also navigate through the app from the drop-down menu. With every action in the app, you can earn points that later allow you to gain badges. As a start, click on Consumption to check your energy usage in real time. You can select the time span you want to see here. If you switch the tab above, you can also see the selected data for a month or a week. Enter the Savings section to monitor your consumption and energy saving goal every month. This battery chart shows your energy consumption in the current month with respect to how much you consumed in the same month last year. Now, for example, we're in May 2018. The full capacity of the battery is equal to your consumption in May 2017. The battery will deplete as you consume energy in May 2018. The colored filling shows how much energy you can still consume before you exceed your consumption of May last year. The default goal is to use at least 20% less energy in May this year. However, you can change it by clicking on the Edit Goal button. You can do this change until the 8th of every month. Be careful not to use more than your savings goal. The Impact section shows the impact of your energy saving in 3 different ways. The first one you see is the environmental impact from the start of the trial. Here you can see how many trees would be needed to absorb as much CO2 as you have saved so far by reducing your energy consumption. Your actual savings are represented by dark green leaves in the green trees. The savings that you want to achieve this month are visualized by light green leaves in the outline trees. If you reach your monthly savings goal, the lighter leaves will turn dark green and the tree will get colored. Here, there are no colored trees with dark green leaves, which means that you haven't achieved any savings yet. Your goal is to have as many green trees as possible. This means that a lot less trees have to absorb CO2 thanks to you. Saving energy is not only great for the planet, it also saves you money. By selecting Save Money from the drop-down menu, you can see the impact of your savings goal for your budget. This works in a similar way as the trees in the environmental impact view. The filled picks with orange coins represent the savings achieved. The outlined ones with white coins show the savings that you will get if you meet your monthly goal. Again, if you see no filled picks with orange coins on the screen, it means that you haven't achieved any savings yet. In the third view, you see your points and badges for achieving your monthly energy saving goal. To get points, you have to reach your energy saving goal. The higher the goal, the more points you receive. Even if you don't reach your goal but still use 10% less energy compared to last year, you'll still get some points. The last subsection here is about comfort. Here you can see your energy consumption in April 2018 and the percentage of decrease or increase compared to April 2017. In this example, there were no savings achieved in April. You can also see the average temperature and humidity that have been maintained during this period. Also, a level of your average comfort will be shown once you have used the app for a while. If you're in the living room, please click on the plus button to provide your feedback about how cold or warm you feel. Please note that you can only give feedback about your living room because this is where the sensors are installed. If you're in another room and selected this option by mistake, click on Not in the living room. You want to reach your saving goal? Select Tips from the Start screen to find out how. Here you can find practical tips for energy saving in your home. Some are general, others are recommended specifically for you. Please provide feedback on whether you will do this or are already doing this. Reading tips and giving feedback both give you points. The more tips you read, the more points you earn and the more energy you save. Finally, return to the Start screen and click on Achievements to check your score. In the enCOMPASS app, you can earn points and collect badges in 3 areas. Green badges are for learning, for example for reading energy-saving tips or providing comfort feedback. Yellow badges are for reaching energy-saving goals. Pink ones are for profiling actions such as filling out surveys. The bar shows your progress towards the next badge. Click on the leaderboard in the same section to see how you performed compared to other members of the trial. You can see your score in the monthly ranking as well as the total ranking since the start of the trial. Remember that every month the 2 people with the highest score in the leaderboard will get a reward. For more information about points and badges, check out rules in the settings. In the settings, it is also important to enable the app notifications to receive tips and updates about your achievements. Just select Notification Center and choose the frequency you prefer. Remember that you also get points by enabling notifications. And that's it! Start using the enCOMPASS app now. Save energy while having fun.